So, we drilled a couple holes, got them all marked off. You see, top two is what we couldn't get. Everything lined up perfectly fine. Put some nice red Loctite, maybe just a little excessive, but you're safe than sorry, because these are probably never coming back out unless I'm inside of it. So, good stuff on that. So we're going to put the other one together. I have to do the exact same thing to the other seat, and then we'll put them in the car, and we'll give you an update when we have that started. So there's a whole other harness and shit. We're gonna pull up the other seats to make it fucking light. Alright everyone, as you see here, I've got the nice seats in. They're bolted straight to the floor as the factory seats location would be. We are now trying to figure out how we're going to mount the harnesses. You see, it's got a couple of different anchor points or clips, whichever. I think we're going to end up drilling holes in the floor and finding hardware for this. So you got your crotch mount in the front, one per side. Like I said, we got to figure that out. I've kind of got this one, just this one sitting where I want it. We're going to have it strapped to the bar back here pretty well. This is just sitting here temporary. We're probably going to match the other side up before tonight's over with. But if you have any questions on the process of how we put all this stuff together, leave it in the comments section down below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and y'all hustle hard.